Welcome to the 2022 Dental Hygiene Program Open House. Thank you for visiting our virtual open house. We're glad you're here. The Dental Clinic is located just outside of Seattle in Kirkland, Washington. The Dental Clinic at Lake Washington Institute of Technology, also called LWTech, offers quality dental care to the general public. The full-service dental clinic is staffed by students, licensed dentists, and hygienists serving quality, ethical oral health care needs. Please take a moment and view this video describing our clinic.
Getting to the dental clinic is easy. There are two main entrances and parking areas. The North Campus entrance is located on 120th Street, and the East Campus entrance is located on 132nd Avenue. At the 120th entrance sign, you will see the sign that says Service Entrance. The easiest way to our dental clinic is through the main entrance to the school, located on 120th Street. Turn left into the north parking lot. Shown here are spaces for dental clinic parking. These spaces are limited, so if you find the spaces are full, please park anywhere in the lot. Walk up the stairs from the parking lot and enter the school through the doors. Proceed down this hallway past all of the automotive workshops. You will also pass an open common area to your right. Straight ahead, you will see red double doors labeled Dental Clinic. You have now arrived at our clinic. Please check in at the window. If you parked in the area reserved for dental patients, you will be asked to provide your license plate number. To become a patient at Lake Washington, an initial screening appointment is required. During a screening, the health of your gums will be evaluated, and what type of cleaning you need will be determined. A student will go over your health history and briefly assess your oral health. This appointment will take approximately 30 minutes. To ensure accuracy, all work is checked by a licensed dental hygienist. After your screening appointment, the student and instructor will go over the findings with you and determine the type of cleaning you will need. If you meet our requirements, a student will contact you to book an initial hygiene appointment. The student that contacts you may or may not be the student that did your screening. Patients are selected based on the needs of the students. During your first appointment, you will complete a thorough health history. If you are taking medications, please bring a current medication list to the appointment. The student will review your health history, take your vital signs, and begin performing new patient assessments. New patient assessments include a full head and neck cancer screening and x-rays. The health of your gums and teeth will also be evaluated. After the new patient assessments are completed, the hygiene instructor will check the student's work and you will receive an exam by a licensed dentist. If you need fillings, you will be given a treatment plan at this time. LWT is a full-service dental clinic, and most restorations can be performed by our dentists and hygiene students for very affordable rates. After the exam, the student will begin your cleaning. Depending on your specific needs, your cleaning can take 2 to 4 appointments. This allows us to be very thorough and for the work to be checked by our instructors. Our clinic and students are dedicated to providing the best care to our patients. Your assessments and cleaning will be completed by highly skilled students, and the work will be evaluated by licensed professionals throughout the process. We are confident that you will be satisfied with your experience at our dental clinic.
Please visit our website using the QR code for additional information. LWTech offers a bachelor's degree of applied science in dental hygiene. This degree prepares students to enter the healthcare workforce as dental hygienists who are competent in the provision of safe, ethical, and effective dental hygiene care. The program aims to provide students with high-quality didactic and clinical education in the cognitive, psychomotor, and affective skills of dental hygiene, as well as the promotion of lifelong learning. The philosophy of our program. Lake Washington Institute of Technology Dental Hygiene Program believes the function of the dental hygienist is to provide safe and effective dental hygiene care to help people retain and improve their oral health care for a greater quality of life. It is the philosophy of the dental hygiene program at Lake Washington to foster the acquisition of dental hygiene skills in a safe learning environment that supports communication, collaboration, and critical thinking, and to promote culturally sensitive, ethical, and compassionate care in the dental workplace. Please enjoy our American Dental Hygienists Association award-winning video made by our future dental hygienist class of 2022. Here they explain how they and our program have adapted to thrive during COVID-19 pandemic. We hope you enjoy this video and have a better sense for student life in our program.
We are the Dental Hygiene class of 2022 at Lake Washington Institute of Technology, located in Kirkland, Washington. Kirkland may sound familiar to you. It was the site of the first confirmed COVID-19 outbreak in the U.S. Governor Inslee ordered schools to close for 6 weeks, which was extended several times into the summer. Many changes have been made to allow us to return to the dental clinic. As we returned to campus, new safety precautions were put in place, including temperature checks, standard COVID screening questions, and a limit on the number of students on campus. To help with distance learning, our college offers free tablets with internet connection, free shipping for bookstore orders and returns, and free curbside printing. Extra precautions for the dental clinic include only allowing 5 students in the locker room at a time, changing our shoes, and wearing scrub caps. Next, we bring everything we need into the clinic, wash our hands, and don our lab coats. Our class color is purple. We then don our N95 masks and add a level 1 or 2 mask on top. Our junior class has not received our loops yet, so for now, we wear protective glasses and a face shield. Our class of 30 is split into smaller sections for clinic to allow for social distancing. When setting up our operatories, we have additional barrier protections, and each patient does a pre-procedural rinse of peroxide. Cheers! Our dental clinic runs on a tight schedule so that the clinic can be cleaned after every lab session. We use a program called Discord to gather online. There are different channels for each class where you can ask questions, share relevant information, talk about hobbies, and more. There are voice channels where you can get together on video calls without time limits to hold a study session or spill the tea. We have an events channel to create invitations that are visible and open to everyone. This helps us plan online events like study sessions, gaming sessions, and movie watch parties. Popular events we do together are student-led yoga sessions and cooking classes. We use online tools to study together since we can't be on campus. A fun favorite of ours is playing Scriblio with vocab from tooth morphology, periodontology, and head and neck anatomy. We have online birthday cards that everyone is able to sign virtually, and then they are delivered via email on the recipient's birthday. For each of these cards, a tree is planted through the nonprofit OneTreePlanted.org. Currently, our winter break has been extended to allow for those who choose to travel for the holidays to quarantine before coming back to school. We are ready for our plans to change as conditions evolve, and we encourage everyone to practice good infection control so that we can continue our education with minimal interruptions. Like science, dental hygiene is always changing, and we're learning to be adaptable future hygienists. We are the dental hygiene class of 2020.
Please see our website for more information regarding the Dental Hygiene Bachelor of Applied Science program. Thank you for visiting with us today.
Thank you.